Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about today's notification of KSLU regarding postpone of our LLB examinations. Today we have received the notification from KSLU saying that the LLB, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB examinations will be postponed during the month of November due to valuations, what you call re-evaluations and challenging re-evaluations have not been taken place. So that is the reason we will be going to conduct the examinations in the month of November 2021. So in this scenario, our KSLU students has got some relief that within a week they are not unable to write the examinations. At least they will have a time to study about their LLB examinations. But whereas the petition cases are still pending, so many means whichever the petitions are available in the High Court of Karnataka, that has been adjourned to further dates. So all relevant information which I found that they are fighting for promotions, not for interim stay order, not for postponing the examinations, my dear students. They are fighting for promotion of E1 semester examinations. Anyhow, you got like interim relief for all our KSLE students, because yesterday full our KSLE students were very much tension about their examination, but now all are free birds today. It doesn't mean that you will be always free. If you every day, at least if you give some time for your preparation LLB examination, means you can deal any kind of disasters, any kind of drastic situation like this. My advice is to all our KSLE students, you should always a challenging persons, especially you are LLB students, you are legal students, you have to face all kind of things. If they conduct examinations also, you should be prepared always. If they have not conducted also, it doesn't matter. Whichever you have studied, efforts never fail, my dear students. Whichever you put efforts today, that will be useful for one or other day. My advice is to all students, today you are free. Yesterday you were very much busy about your LLB examinations, but today you are free bird, like free birds. But don't be like free birds, my dear students. Today at least you have to study something about your relevant the LLB examinations for upcoming examinations. Whether KSLU will be going to conduct or not, they will be going to postpone or not, they will be going to cancel or not, you should not bother about all those things, my dear students. Your work is to study for your LLB upcoming examinations. Maybe get promoted, may not be get promoted, maybe get you will get exams in the November, may not be get. That court, honorable court, will decide whether going to conduct or not, whether going to promote or not. Honorable High Court will see all evidences, all the facts and finds. They will give judgment. Till that time, what we have to do is we have to study for our upcoming LLB examinations. What you will lose, my dear friends? Tell me, you won't lose at all anything. If you study for your LLB examination, if you study your legal subjects, what will be wasted? It will be a very useful information for your updating your knowledge. If you have deep knowledge in any subjects, you can deal any kind of problems in future. In future, you will be become like advocates, you will become lecturers, you will become like any kind of professionals. You will be efficient, you will be capable to do any kind of problems. That is why I'm always stressing that please don't be a free bird, my dear students. Still have to complete your LLB examinations. Every day at least you have to show your interest to study your legal subjects. It is very important. Every day you have to give some time to study. Who have been studied, they are very eager to write examinations. Many of the students I have seen, they are ready to write examinations. How it is possible? Because they have already got ready for upcoming LLB examination. We all should be like that. Now also I am stressing whether honorable court will be giving judgment like favor of KSLU, favor of students. That doesn't matter. Your purpose is to gain knowledge, especially legal knowledge from your subjects. Where you can get legal knowledge, that is from your books, from your syllabus, from your notes. Your intention is to study for upcoming LLB examination. Whether you will going to promote or not, whether KSLU will be going to conduct or not examinations, whether they will be going to cancel or not, that not at all matter. You should always like eager to gain your knowledge. You don't lose anything, my dear friends, if you study well for your examination, for your goodness only. Many of the students who have been studied even semesters, earlier semesters, who have been promoted, they are telling what sir, anyhow, even examination have not been conducted, but still we have got very good knowledge on those subjects. They are happily saying, why? Because they have gained some knowledge about the subjects. So in this scenario, my advice is to please don't be silly. You have to be concentrate on your studies. Each and every day is important. Time is precious. Time won't come back again. Maybe in next month, KSLU may going to conduct examination. Like within 15 days or 10 days, they will be released notifications. We don't know. So we have to prepare for everything. Everything we have to prepare. What do you call? We will be prepared for summer. We will be prepared for winter. We will be prepared for like rainy season. So these are all it is there in our life. Nothing is permanent. Even you are happy also and even your sorrows also. Yesterday all of them were unhappy, but today all of them are happy. My dear students, I would like to teach today. Today, whatever you are happy, that is not permanent. Tomorrow again, sorrow will come. Again, day after tomorrow, you will get happy. So, life is like up and downs. We have to take up and downs in equal manner. Then only will become grow and you will become a succeed person in the world. So this is a very good golden opportunity for all our LLB students comes under Karnataka State Law University. Any of you got some interim relief for your LLB examinations? It doesn't mean that don't prepare for your LLB upcoming examinations. My advice is to all our KSLA students, you study for your knowledge purpose. If you study for your knowledge purpose, that won't waste at all. That always in your mind, whether maybe going to conduct or not, whether promoted, whether going to promote or not, that and all not a matter. Please be study yourself for your knowledge purpose. So as I told you, that whichever writ petitions are pending, their intentions is to not to conduct examinations, that KSLE has to promote, they have to follow, that KSLE has to follow the UGC guidelines which already published by the UGC. So that is their intentions, they are fighting for it. We have to wait and see. There will be a frequent upcoming cases will be there, so they have to appear and they have to prove themselves that it is a pandemic situations. In these pandemic situations, it is very difficult to write examinations, keeping in mind all views, like rural background, some other colleges which were, they have faced a lot of problems. So in this pandemic situation, that KSLE should not conduct the examinations. Instead of conducting examinations, everyone has to promote on the basis of 50:50, whichever the earlier order has been already passed by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So this is their intentions. So they are fighting for it. Meanwhile, our purpose and our work is to study for our LLB examinations. Your studies never fail. Be prepared for everything. So if you prepare for everything, you can easily manage your disasters in your life. So I hope my videos are very useful to all. So I don't wanted to give false information in my videos. You can see I have made n number of videos. I have not given any false informations in my videos. That is very important. So once we lose in our in any kind of matters, so that won't come back. So my intention is to, I have to give some knowledge about whichever I know, whichever I collect information from others, so that I would like to share through in this platform. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get notified very good videos like this. Please do forward as many as possible this video, so that they will also get benefit. Thank you.